A beautiful day outside, albeit a little on the cool side, especially for where we should normally be on May 6th with a high temperature of 71. We've only made it up to 67 degrees today with lots of blue skies. In late afternoon, we've seen a few cumulus clouds popping up. This is the view right now from Honda of Lincoln, looking off to the south and west. You can see traffic moving along fine there on South 27th and Yankee Hill Drive. You can see on visible satellite imagery, some of the clouds have been popping up across the area, all the way from Omaha back out towards North Platte and areas into the northwest corner of the state. Once the sun sets this evening, these clouds will begin to go away. Temperature wise right now, it's 67 degrees in Lincoln, 64 in Beatrice, it's 65 in Columbus, 64 in York, up to 67 in Aurora though, 65 in Hastings, 66 in Grand Island, and 65 degrees in Kearney. This morning it got chilly. Temperatures down to 32 degrees, so at freezing in Albion as well as in Ord, down to 34 in Oakdale, 35 in Greeley, Loop City, and Table Rock, down to 35 degrees as well. Tonight will be cold, but not that cold. We'll see temperatures dropping off eventually into the upper 30s to low 40s, mainly low 40s. 41 degrees is what I'm forecasting at the airport in Lincoln, 43 Seward, 43 Grand Island. We may drop 38 to 39 degrees up towards Ord and Greeley. Tomorrow morning, we may have a few high thin clouds overhead. Otherwise, for the most part, expect to see skies turning partly cloudy through the afternoon. I think Stormcast is a little overdone with the cloud cover for tomorrow. This is through noon, but temperatures nicely up into the upper or middle 60s by that point. I think by afternoon we should make it up to right around 70 degrees. We may be a little warm here on the computer model here, but I do think we will start to warm back up to right around 70 by afternoon in Lincoln, 70 degrees in Seward, 72 degrees in York, and 73 degrees in Grand Island. We're going to have a front that's going to be sitting just to our west, so if you're west of that front, you're going to be seeing temperatures in mid-70s. East of that front, probably temperatures right around 70. Now, the newest drought monitor was released today, and notice the big portion of the state now no longer categorized under drought conditions. The other thing to notice there is no orange. So we're not talking severe drought anywhere. That's new because the southwest corner of the state has been sitting under severe drought for months and months. Well, now down to moderate drought conditions, so we're actually improving with all the recent rains. In Lincoln now, we're over 3 inches above normal for this year. Now, as we head through Friday and into Saturday, we'll start seeing some more rain coming our way. Friday, we'll see clouds increasing. On Saturday, we'll see, or I should say make that Saturday, we'll start to see clouds increasing. We will have some dry hours, I think, especially in the morning and early afternoon. Computer models suggesting the rain starts moving in towards afternoon with some heavy rains possible late Saturday night into early Sunday morning. Still some question as to how long the rain hangs around Sunday morning. I think it's probably out shortly after sunrise. Some of the computer models try to hang on to it through mid-morning. And as far as how much rain or how much more rain is coming our direction, well, computer models are suggesting anywhere from maybe 4/10 of an inch to maybe upwards of 3/4 of an inch of rain. 7-day forecast, 64 degrees for a high Saturday. It will be a cool Mother's Day with only a high temperature of 61. I think we will see some sunshine by late afternoon as skies turn partly cloudy. But here's the good news. We are starting to see some signs of warmer temperatures returning. So middle of the month, we see temperatures jumping back into the mid-80s to near 90 degrees perhaps by the following Saturday, and a chance for some thunderstorms the second half of that weekend.